السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Inshallah, today we are looking at lesson number 55, as you can see. And in this particular lesson, we are going to be looking at Ana Huna Fa'rifuni. That is the topic. Ana Huna Fa'rifuni. This is a very interesting topic. In this particular lesson, we are going to be, the topic is a very nice structured topic. We are going to be given clues, and we are expected to identify the subject of the topic. So the subject is hidden. It is a hidden topic. It is a hidden subject. I hope that is clear. It is hidden, and then it's like someone will give you introduction. Like, have you seen where we have riddles? They'll give you a riddle, and then they'll give you clues and want you to identify the thing the clues are talking about. So that's similar thing we are going to be seeing in this topic. That's why the heading is like that. Ana huna fa'rifuni. I am here, so know me. So he will give us clues, and after each clue, it will be several clues. After each clue, he will ask us, Ana huna fa'rifuni. I am here, so know me. And at the end of the day, we are expected to identify what the subject or the main subject of the topic. So let's begin. Inshallah, we'll see what I'm talking about. He begins by saying that Mawlidi wa watani. Mawlidi, of course, Mawlid, we all know. Mawlid means it could be Ism Makan or Ism Zaman, okay, place of birth, or the time of birth, date of birth. So that we have Mawlid Nabi, the date of birth of the Prophet. So Mawlid could mean the date of birth, that is Ism Zaman, or it could mean the place of birth, that is Ism Makan, place of birth. So it could be both. So if I can say Mawlidi Kaza or Kaza, Mawlidi Misr, my place of birth is Misr, Egypt. Or I can say Mawlidi, my date of birth, and I mentioned this on here. I hope that is clear. So Mawlid can mean two things. So he's saying that Mawlidi wa watani, my place of birth, wa watani, and my homeland. Watan, as we said before, is the homeland, the place where you were giving birth to. That's your homeland. Ma tusammunahu is that which you call al-bahr, the sea. So he's saying that his place of birth and his homeland, his hometown, is that which we call, is that which you call. So he's referring to us. We call, is that which we call the sea, al-bahr. Ana ibnu ummatin, I am the son of a nation, ummatin azimatin, a great nation, or I am a descendant. Ibn can mean son, it can also mean descendant, like we have Ibn Adam. It doesn't necessarily mean you are the direct son of Adam. It means you are a descendant of Adam, or from it, Bani Adam, or Bani Israel, descendants of Israel. Or that is clear. So Ana ibnu ummatin, I am the son, or I am the descendant of a nation, of a great nation. What is this nation? He says, Qadim taddat ala masafati alafim min al-amyal. It has extended. Okay, my nation has extended. Qadim taddat. Imtadda yamtaddu means for something to be extended, to spread out. That is imtadda. Qadim taddat, it has certainly, or it had extend ala masafati alafim min al-amyal, over a distance. Masafatun means distance. So over a distance of, or over a distance of what? Thousands of miles. Alafim min al-amyal, thousands of miles. Amyal is just the plural of mil, which we call mal. I hope that is clear. Mal. So alafim min al-amyal, thousands of miles. وَيَقُولُونَ, and they say, Inna ummati a'azamu min ummatil bar. Indeed, and they say, people say that my nation is more greater than the nation of the land. The dry land where he is found, his nation is much larger than the nation of the dry land. Of course, we are thinking about water now. I know we'll be thinking about water, because water is what covers a large portion of the earth compared to the dry land. So that is what he's saying here. فَقَدْ شَغَلْنَا نَحْنُ سَلَاسَةَ أَرْبَاءِ الْقُرَّةِ. He's saying that فَقَدْ شَغَلْنَا, we had certainly occupied, Shagala means to occupy. Like we have shugul. Shugul is work. Bimana, the work has, why is work called shugul? Because it occupies your time. It is something that occupies your time. So from it we call it shugul. Work is called shugul. Sometimes we even say ana mashgul. I am the one who is occupied. I'm busy. I'm not occupied. So shagala actually means to occupy. I hope that is clear. So he says that faqad shagalna nahnu. We have, or we had occupied, faqad shagalna, we had occupied salasata arba'il qura. 3/4. Salasata arba'i, it means 3/4, okay, or 3/4. All that is clear. Al-qura, of the globe. Al-qura here means the globe, not football. It means the globe. Okay. Wal-yabisu minha nahu rub'in. Wal-yabis, and a dry land. Al-yabis. Yabisa means for something to dry. The verb yabisa means it is dry. And yabis is the thing which is dry. So wal-yabis minha, and the dry land, or the dry part of it, of the earth, minha, bimana, of the earth, or from the earth. Nahu rub'in is about rub'in. I hope that is clear. Rub'in, 1/4. 1/4. I hope that is clear. 1/4. So he's saying that his nation covers 3/4 of the earth, and the dry part of the earth is just about 1/4 only. And he continued by saying that وَقَدْ فَارَقْتُ وَطَنِي قَبْلَ شَهْرَيْنِ, and I have separated from, or I have left my homeland قَبْلَ شَهْرَيْنِ, 2 months ago. I hope that is clear. The verb here is faraqa. Faraqa means to separate from something, or to leave, or to separate from. So he has left his hometown 2 months ago. لَمَّا اشْتَدَّ الْحَرُّ, when the heat became severe, it became severe. في هذا الصيف, in this summer. تكون بحار. So when the heat in this summer became, intensified, تكون بحار, vapor was formed. تكون means for something to be formed. تكون بحار, vapor was formed. وفارق البحر, and it left, or it moved up or rises from the sea. Like what فارق البحر, and it left the sea. وسارت به الرياح إلى الجبال, and the wind, الرياح, wind, move with it to the mountains. So this vapor which was formed due to the high intense heat was moved by the wind to the mountains. As Jibal here means is mountains. وَهُوَ السَّحَابُ الْمُسَخَّرُ بَيْنَ السَّمَاءِ وَالْأَرْضِ, and it is the cloud. This is what he's talking about here. This vapor which moves from the sea and then it went to the mountains. It is that which results in the السَّحَابُ الْمُسَخَّرُ بَيْنَ السَّمَاءِ وَالْأَرْضِ. The sahab here means cloud. Hope that is clear. Cloud. Okay. وَهُوَ السَّحَابُ الْمُسَخَّرُ, and it is the cloud which has been subdued بَيْنَ السَّمَاءِ وَالْأَرْضِ, between the heavens and the earth. فَلَمَّا جَاءَهُ الْأَمْرُ مِنَ اللَّهِ, and when the command from Allah came to it, تَحَلَّلَ هَذَا الْبُحَارُ بِالْحَرَارَةِ. تَحَلَّلَ, it's broken down. Tahallala means for something to become, to break down into pieces. That is tahallala. So tahallala has al-buhar. This vapor broke down into pieces. Bil harara, by the heat. Wa nazala qataratin ala al-ard, and small drops fell on the earth. Wa qala an-nasu, and people said, al-mataru, rain. Wa ana huna fa'rifuni, and I am here, so know me. So he has given us a little bit of clue. Al-mataru, rain, people, that's what people say. Wa ana huna fa'rifuni, and I am here, know me. So that's the first clue he has given us, and he has said, I am here, so know me. So with this clue we should have some idea. Know me, identify me. I hope that is clear. So let's continue. He will give another clue again. Listen here. He's saying that لَعَلَّكُمْ رَأَيْتُمْ كِدْرًا عَلَى النَّارِ, perhaps you have seen a cooking pot on fire. Qidr, of course, we always the cooking pot, ala nar, on fire. Fiha ma'un, in it there is water. فَإِذَا غَلَتِ الْقِدْرُ, and when the qidr, the pot, the cooking pot, begin to boil, the water in it begin to boil. تَصَاعَدَ مِنْهَا مِثْلُ دُخَانٍ. صَاعَدَ means for something to rise. Hope that is clear. So تَصَاعَدَ مِنْهَا, or to climb, actually meaning some climbing of something to rise. So تَصَاعَدَ مِنْهَا مِثْلُ دُخَانٍ. So when the water in a cooking pot is boiling, something rises. تَصَاعَدَ مِنْهَا, something rises from it. مِثْلُ دُخَانٍ, the likeness of what? Dukhan, of smoke. I hope that is clear. Something like smoke rises up. وَهُوَ الْبُخَارِ, and it is the vapor. وَأَنَا هُنَا فَعْرِفُونِ, and I am here, know me. So that imagery should give you a clue of what I am. That's what he's simply saying. So he's saying فَعْرِفُونِ, so identify me or know me. Are you still confused? Or, have you gotten what this topic is, or the main subject of this topic? If no, then let's continue. He continued by saying that another clue, وَإِذَا نَزَلَ الْمَطَرُ, and when rain falls, or when rain descends, وَجَمَدَتْ قَطَرَاتِي مِنَ الْبَرْدِ, and my drops, قَطَرَةٌ means drop. So, وَجَمَدَتْ قَطَرَاتِي, and my drops, Jamada means for something to become solid. Okay, solid things or inanimate things are usually called jamad. But jamada, as I said, it means for something to become solid. When it is used for water, it means the water has freezed. It has become solid, like, and become hard. That is jamada. Okay, so jamada, wa jamadat qatarati, and when my drops become hard, min al-bard, okay, out of the cold. When the temperature is very cold, you can see what small drops of water, it will become solid, like it is almost freezing. It's becoming ice. وَوَقَعَتْ عَلَى الْأَرْضِ, and it falls on the earth. مِثْلَ الزُّجَاجِ, like glass. مِثْلَ الزُّجَاجِ, the like of glass, the likeness of glass. Of course, this is ice. قَالَ النَّاسُ, people say, al-baradu, al-baradu, snow, snow. Snow, snow. Al-baradu means snow. There's a difference between bardun with schoon on the ra and with fatha on the ra. When there is schoon on the ra, bardun, that is cold. But when it is baradun with fatha on the ra, it means snow, snow. So al-baradu, snow, snow. People will say snow, snow. Wa ana huna fa'arifuni, and I am here. What you have just said right now, it should give you a clue of what he is. Fa'arifuni, so know me. Another clue. وَقَدْ أَسْقُطُ فِي الْجِبَالِ, and I may fall in mountains. مِثْلَ السُّوفِ, like suf, like wool. Sufun means wool, wool. Okay, cotton wool, something like a cotton wool. A wool is what we term as suf. So he's saying that I may fall. قَدْ أَسْقُطُ, I may fall. When qad comes with a fi'l al-mudari', a present tense verb, it means may. So qad, like if you say qad azhabu, I may go. I hope that is clear. Okay. So qad asqutu fil jibal, I may fall in mountains. Misla suf, the likeness of wool. He didn't stop there. He says as-sufil abyadil lami', the white shining wool. Wa al-ma'u fi shams, and I sparkle or I shines in the sun. Misla lujain, like or the likeness of silver. So when this, when it is very temperature very cold and you go to mountainous region, you see what he's describing now. You see something like a wool fallen, and it is out of the water. Okay, something like a wool fallen, falling slowly. Okay, and it is shining. When the light reflects on it, it shines. That's what he's saying. فَيَكُونُ مَنْظَرًا جَمِيلًا, and it becomes a very beautiful scene. Manzoran Jamila, very beautiful scene. It turns to a very beautiful scene. وَيَكُولُ النَّاسِ, And the people say, athalju, ice, wa ana huna fa'rifuni, and I am here, so know me. So this clue he has given now, it also gives it also talks about it. So of course, fa'rifuni, so know me or identify me. Are you still, in confusion about what it is? Let's pause here. Inshallah, in the next lesson, we will look at the remaining clues. But I think this alone should be enough to give us a clue of what it is. I also have my personal answer of maybe what this topic is about, but I will only share it with you at the end of the lesson. But at least now you should also have something in your mind about what this thing is talking about. I hope that is clear. So inshallah, we'll pause here and then we'll continue in the next lesson. We'll look at the remaining clues. That one is just will reveal the exact thing, what it is. I hope that is clear. So in the next lesson, we'll look at the remaining clues, and inshallah we'll look at the conclusion. Jazakumullahu khairan wa barakallahu li wa lakum fi Qur'an al-Hakim wa nafani wa iyyakum bil ayati wa zikril hakim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.